Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 6, today I am going to take your English second paper and our today's topic is Substitution Table. Let's start our class. So today's topic is Substitution Table, and you will be given a table and there will be 3 columns and 4 rows, and you will make 4 sentences from the following substitution table. So you need to make 4 meaningful sentences from the substitution table. So in the first column you will find the subject, and then there will be given auxiliary verb or the main verb, and then the object and extension. Subject can be different. There can be 4 different subjects or 4 different verbs, but there can be also 2 or 3 subjects, 2 or 3 verbs. So in this situation you need to repeat the subject or the verb, but you will always get 4 objects or extension in the last row. Okay, let's read. Make 4 sentences from the following substitution table. So our subjects in the first row, there are there are 4 subjects: ours, most of our people; they, most of them. Then the verb are, depend, lead, is. Now the object or extension, object and extension: on farming, for their livelihood; a poor life, farmers, and agricultural country. Now we will make 4 sentences. So when you make 4 sentences, you can give number of each sentence. That means like A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3, or you can also use the Roman number. Now look, number 1, and here I use the Roman number. Number 1, ours. Now look, at first we will take our subject ours, then is. Now we will choose an object and agricultural country. That means at first we will choose the subject, then the verb, and then the object or extension. So ours is an agricultural country. Now our next sentence, that means number 2, most of our people. So now we will write the subject most of our people. Now we will choose a verb. So most of people depend. Now I am writing depend. Depend on farming for their livelihood. On farming for their livelihood. So we have got 2 sentences, 1 and 2. Now we will make another sentence, and our subject is they. Then we will choose a verb, lead, and our object is a poor life or extension. Now look, they lead a poor life. Okay, this is number 4, and now number 3. Most of them. Now we will choose the verb are. Most of them are. The last one, farmers. So you will make 4 meaningful sentences. Ours is an agricultural country. Number 2, most of our people depend on farming for their livelihood. Number 3, most of them are farmers. Number 4, they lead a poor life. You can also write most of our people are farmers, like this. So you will make 4 meaningful sentences. So here we make most of our people depend on farming for their livelihood, or you can also make sentences like most of our people are farmers. So like this you will make 4 meaningful sentences. Now we will do another substitution table. Make 4 sentences from the following substitution table. Now look at the first row. There are 2 subjects, Dhaka and Eid. That means we need to repeat the subjects. Now there are verbs, auxiliary verb is and the verb stands. So there are two verbs in the second row. That means we need to repeat our verbs also. And now there are the last row, the object on the object or extension on the Buriganga, a big city, the capital of Bangladesh, a busy city. So let's make the let's make our sentences. So at first, number one. So at first we will use the proper noun. Then we will use then we will use a pronoun. Here it indicates Dhaka. So Dhaka. Then we will choose the verb is the capital of Bangladesh. So number one will be Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Now we can use our pronoun it. So it. Then we will choose the verb stands. So it stands on the Buriganga. So it stands on the Buriganga. Now number three, it is a big city. So it is a big city. We will choose again it, or you can also write here Dhaka. It is a busy city. This one is left. So it is a busy city. So number one, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Number two, it stands on the Buriganga. Number three, it is a big city. Number four, it is a busy city. So we have done two substitution table. Those are for your practice. Those are the examples. And dear students, all of you will practice model questions 1 to 8 from your book and question number 1 to 7. That means you will practice all the question answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 from your book, model question number 1 to 8 for half yearly exam. Okay, you will practice model questions 1 to 8, question number 1 to 7. That means you will practice articles, you will practice preposition, you will practice punctuation and capitalization, just like this. You will practice all the grammar questions, question number 1 to 7 from model questions 1 to 8. Now we will go to our homework, and this is homework number 14. Make 4 sentences from the following substitution table. You can take a screenshot and then you will make 4 meaningful sentences. Okay, you can take a screenshot and you will make 4 meaningful sentences. Our subjects are planets, they, their, number, and our verb or auxiliary verb, now look, are, have, can only reflect is. And now in this in the third row you will get objects and extension. Now look, not starts, no light of their own, the sun's light, 9. So you will make sentence from this table. Okay, dear students, so that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. So all of you will practice model question 1 to 8, question number 1 to 7. Okay, like articles, prepositions, pronoun, fill in the blanks with clues, substitution table, voice change, transformation, punctuation and pronunciation, punctuation and capitalization, everything. Okay, so dear students, all of you will do your homework regularly and submit it on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. So all for today. See you again. Allah Hafiz.